This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. This is another viewer requested recipe. Today I'm making chicken and pineapple stir fry. Let's start off with the chicken. I have here 800 grams of boneless chicken thighs that I've cut up into bite-sized pieces. You can of course use other chicken parts. I usually chop up a whole chicken, but I happen to have some boneless chicken thighs today. Marinate the chicken with oyster sauce, rice wine, salt, sugar, pepper, and corn flour. Mix all this up really well to marinate the chicken. Then set it aside while we prepare the other ingredients. For this recipe, you will also need 6 slices of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped, and some soya bean paste. For the pineapple, try using fresh pineapples. You can buy 1 or 2 slices from your regular fruit store. If not, you can use canned pineapples. Cut your fresh pineapple up into about 1 cm slices. For more information on how to choose and buy pineapples and how to cut them up, refer to my pork belly and pineapple adobo recipe video. The link is in the description below. Now that you have got all the ingredients together, it's time to stir fry. Put a wok over medium heat. When the wok is hot, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. And when the oil is hot, add in the chicken pieces. Lay the chicken pieces down at the bottom of the pan in one layer. When the bottom of the chicken pieces are brown, flip them over. If the chicken pieces are sticking to the pan, give them a little bit more time. Fry the other side till it's golden brown as well, something like this. Then, push the chicken aside and add in a little bit more oil if it's too dry. If your pan is too small and you cannot make space, remove the chicken at this point. Put in a little more oil and add in your ginger slices and roughly chopped up garlic. Fry them till they are fragrant. This should take about 30 seconds or so. Then, mix them into the chicken. Next, add in your soya bean paste. Mix this really well to coat the chicken. Add a little water to the chicken and bring this to a boil. Then, lower the heat to a simmer and cover. Simmer this for about 3 to 4 minutes till the chicken is cooked and the liquid in the pan has been reduced. Next, add in your pineapple. Cook this for about a minute. Then, taste and adjust for seasoning. And we are done. This is chicken and pineapple stir fry.